you want to make money online without much effort? Let's talk about 5 simple methods, with the last one potentially bringing in $500 to $5,000. Method 1 is all about proofreading with a little help from AI. Websites like guru.com are great to offer these services. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, you can earn $10 to $100 per hour without actually doing the proofreading work yourself. Method 2 involves a technique called drop servicing on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Find talented freelancers offering services at slightly lower rates. Create your service listings, copy theirs, and offer them at a higher price. When someone buys, get the work done by the freelancer at a lower cost and keep the extra money. Remember, if you're finding these tips useful, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support. Method 3 is eBay drop shipping, but let's call it drop servicing. It's simple. Find products like popular sneakers such as Yeezys selling for less than usual on eBay, improve the listing and sell it for more. When someone buys, buy it from the original seller and have it shipped directly to the buyer without handling the product. Method 4 is about transcribing audio into text using AI websites like Reverend.com offer transcription jobs. You can use AI-based tools like rhythmx.com to convert audio into text, helping you earn without doing the actual typing work. Method 5 uses the 10 web IO to create websites easily. Answer a few questions and AI tool will build professional websites for you. You can sell these sites for good money, ranging from $500 to $5,000 each, which can be a great way to earn.